In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in GoodDay. If you spend a lot of time working inside GoodDay, switching to dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments, and can also give your workspace a cleaner, more focused look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your GoodDay account and you're on any main workspace page, such as your My Work board. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile area, usually represented by your profile picture or an icon. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This opens a small menu related to your personal account and preferences. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Account Settings. This is where GoodDay keeps all your personal configuration options, including appearance and layout. Click on Account Settings to open the full settings page in a new view. Once the account settings page loads, you'll see several sections or tabs. The one we're interested in is called Skin and Layout. This section controls how GoodDay looks and feels for your account only, so any changes here will apply just to you and won't affect your teammates. Click on Skin and Layout to open that section. Inside Skin and Layout, you'll see different visual themes or skins that you can choose from. Among these options, look for the one labeled Dark. This is the built-in dark mode theme for GoodDay. Hover over it for a second if you want to preview how it might look, then click on Dark to apply it. After clicking, GoodDay should update the interface automatically. You'll notice the background shifting to darker shades, with text and key interface elements adjusting to maintain contrast and readability. There's usually no need to save anything separately. The change is applied right away and will stay active the next time you log in. If at any point you want to switch back to a lighter theme, you can repeat these same steps. Open your profile icon, go to Account Settings, then Skin and Layout, and choose a different skin. That's all you need to do to enable dark mode in GoodDay. Thanks for watching.